Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Conekt power bank. So this is the power bank package I have bought from a new website. So let's unbox this. This one is a 10,000 milliamps. I have this knife to unbox. Sorry guys for the interruption. Today I'm not having a good cameraman. So this one is the power bank. Good power bank in this 10,000 milliamps. It's a 2.4A output. And the sticker is present here, so I can assure that this one is original product of Conekt. One charging cable is available and its price is 2000. This side we will see a charging cable, so let's open this one. So this is the power bank, white color. Here is a small charging cable. This is our power bank, 10,000 milliamps. It's a bit heavy. Sorry guys, can't able to focus. You will have two USB ports or normal pin and a C-type charger, and here you will get another C-type. So this one is the button for running the power bank. Two dots, so I think the charge is low. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.